Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T32 Highline. This Transporter comes in a 2.0 TDI engine as well as being a long wheelbase model. It has a 150 PS push coming out from the engine and it is covered in a pure grey colour with a solid finish. Starting with the front exterior features, this Transporter comes with heated front windscreen as well as electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors. This is perfect for those cold weather conditions, and you also get front parking sensors. This is perfect for when you are trying to get out of those tight gaps and maneuver the vehicle safely. The wheels that this vehicle sits on are 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels. You also get alloy wheel security locking bolts as well as a steel spare wheel with the original tyre equipment. Moving round to the back, the rear exterior features include a rear view camera system and rear parking sensors. This combination makes it the ultimate safe vehicle to manoeuvre and to park. Opening up the tailgate, you will be greeted with a very spacious loading area with the steel bulkhead staring at you right at the front. You also have a rubber flooring mat at the bottom to add to that extra bit of durability. The tailgate can be opened fully at the back, and you can also access the loading area via the two single sliding doors on either side of the vehicle. This just makes it much more convenient and much more easier for you, regardless of what side of the road you are parked, to enter the loading area to get your goods and to get your equipment. Moving to the front of the vehicle, you have a 3-seater passenger bench that is covered in bricks woven fabric upholstery. The driver's seat has armrests for extra comfortability, and you have a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen infotainment system. The infotainment system can be used to access your favourite radio stations. You can also connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to listen to your favourite music, and you can use the inbuilt sat-nav system to get traffic updates and to help you along your journey. In front of the driver is a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel which allows them to skip through their favourite songs, answer calls, use the inbuilt cruise control and control the volume. That is it for this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T32 Highline. Thank you for watching and goodbye.